So Lisa Perez has two numbers here. She has the extension, which only an interpreter will answer, and then she has the phone line. She doesn't have students call or answer her phone and interpret for her. She only has an interpreter do it, so that's important to know.
Please wait while your call is being connected. You will hear ringing until your call connects.
Hi Lisa, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. So I just wanted to talk a little bit so students in your class could see you video chatting, and then now our staff is seeing on my end what it sounds like to call that line. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
Oh, sure, yeah, no problem. And thank you for doing that.
Of course. Okay, have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.